Why did the Jamaican sprinter bring a pencil to his race? Because he wanted to draw a fast one. And speaking of fast ones, let's delve into a place known for producing some of the quickest sprinters on the planet, the vibrant and enchanting Trelawny, Jamaica. Situated in the county of Cornwall in northwest Jamaica, Trelawny is more than just a parish, it's a sprinter's paradise. The capital, Falmouth, is a bustling hub of energy, much like the athletes who hail from this region. Bordered by the parishes of St. Anne in the east, St. James in the west, and St. Elizabeth and Manchester in the south, Trelawny is the heart that pumps life into the veins of Jamaican sprinting. Now let's rewind to the 18th century. Trelawny was not always known for its sprinters. Instead, it was a sugar and banana powerhouse with over 100 plantations dotting its landscape. However, as the winds of time blew, Trelawny adapted and evolved, eventually becoming the cradle of sprinting. So what changed? The children of Trelawny did. They started running. Not from anything, mind you, but towards something. Towards glory, towards honor, towards the dream of becoming the fastest humans on Earth. And they succeeded. From this small parish emerged several Olympic sprinters, carrying the name of Trelawny onto the world stage. The significance of Trelawny in the sprinting world cannot be overstated. It's like a gold mine, but instead of gold, it produces champions. The young people of Trelawny are not just running, they're sprinting into the annals of history, etching the name of their homeland in golden letters. So remember Trelawny, the parish nestled in the heart of Jamaica, surrounded by St. Anne, St. James, St. Elizabeth, and Manchester. Remember it as a place of speed, a place of champions, a place of dreams, and most importantly, remember it as a place where the children don't just run, they fly. To sum it up, Trelawny, with its vibrant capital Falmouth, is a testament to the power of dreams and hard work. It's a beacon of hope for every young sprinter who ties their shoelaces and steps onto the track. It's a symbol of how a small parish in Jamaica can conquer the world of sprinting, one fast foot at a time. So the next time you hear the name Trelawny, think of speed, think of champions, think of dreams coming true. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be inspired to draw a fast one yourself. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.